We are going to study the stationary waves formed in a closed circular wire loop. Fix a circular wire loop on a vibrator. Then connect the vibrator to a signal generator. Switch on the signal generator and adjust the output frequency until stationary wave appears in the loop. Increase the output frequency. Observe what happens to the loop. We know that only waves of certain wavelengths can form stationary waves in a wire. Similarly, for a closed loop, a stationary wave is formed only by waves with wavelengths fitting exactly around the circumference of the loop.